Blockchain Live 2025, another edition. That means another time and another chance to interact, meet the whales, make new connections, take Apex21 to the rest of the world. Let's see how this edition gonna unfold. This is the 15th edition. We have been managing to attend some of these editions over the past couple of days, and you can see some big improvements from the last edition that we had. I see a lot of sponsors have come on board. We have HDX, we have Wix, we have the likes of Being X, and so many others, which we shall be exploring in the next couple of hours. So let's get the street running. Let's see what in store for Blockchain Live 2025. This is the map arena. These are all the major partners. We're gonna have Apex21 here in the next edition because we couldn't manage to have it here during this edition. So we have all these guys that are gonna be exhibiting. This is a map for the arena. Have free coffee, free tea. Those guys want free things. Anyway, just kidding. Then this is inside the arena. So we have a lot of exhibitors in the space. Listing.help has always been here, all the editions, and they always occupy this first booth. And one thing that you should know is that having a booth at this entrance of such a size goes for nothing less than $50,000 and above. So you can do your maths, okay? So you can just do a quick rundown. Then we'll do some short interviews, of course, asking guys their views on crypto and where they think the market is heading to, and also try and educate guys about Apex21 and get to understand what they're doing in the space. So we have the regardless here. I don't know what they're doing, but we come to find out. We have staking TRX, Tron, I believe, up to 13% APY. Remember, you can also stake Apex21 and earn more APYs. We have some miners here, have Hydro Trader. Let me tell you something about this small booth that you're seeing here. This small booth, I love what the ladies are doing. Good job giving the flags. What is this about? Welcome to Token Spot. Okay, your booth is here. Sure, I'll come. Thank you. So this is what I'm gonna do with Apex21. I'm gonna be giving out our brochures as well. So I was giving you guys a story about this small booth. So setting up this small booth, just a stool and a simple table and a backdrop, goes for nothing less than $7,500. So, and it's sold out. You can do the math. And just to bring you guys up to speed on the magnitude it gets to host such an event, the list booth available here goes for around $7,500, and they have over 300 booths. So you can do the math. Ticket price for this event, the list ticket goes for around $250. We have about 15,000 attendees. So again, do the math. 15,000 attendees multiplied by 250, and that is the list price for the ticket. Okay, so money is being made in such premium events. And remember, this is the world's most premium crypto event. Then we have the Pro Forex, the exchange services are there, these solutions. We'll be speaking to these guys and get to understand what they are doing. We have Crypto Cash, VMC Card, Premier is here, QuickX is here, Riskfield is here. We have so many of these platforms, and there's something else I need you to understand. See, that is listing.com. Remember, listing had acquired the premium space, and they have this premium advertising. So again, you can imagine the amount of money listing are coughing out to be featured in such platforms. Okay, we have Mexi over there. Of course, you know Mexi as an exchange and what they basically do. We have Blockchain Factory. I don't know what they are doing, but we'll get to know what they are doing. Okay, then we have this is your miners. These have been sponsors for most of these editions because I've managed to attend almost close to 5 editions for the Blockchain Life. Then we have the premium stage, whereby you're going to have the exhibitors, you're going to be having the talks. This is the premium event. This is yes, it's closed at the moment, but this is how it looks like. Okay, so it's going to be open at 10 a.m. So yeah, this is how the place looks like. Very, very beautiful. We have FBI security over there. Then this is another area, pretty much interesting. Things are moving on well. Again, watu za bure wako pale. And yeah, this is I think the speakers area. I'm not supposed to attend this place, but mimi nani. Okay, yeah, so that's how the place is looking like. I have my Apex21 flyers. I'm gonna distribute them and I'm gonna talk and spread the gospel about Apex21. This is the photo booth. Very, very interesting. Looks very pretty. This is where guys are gonna be taking photos for IG, for Crown, and yeah, stuff like that. So if you don't have someone to take your photos, you can always request, and someone will always take photos of you. Yep, we have Bitmain again. Oh, look at that. For the gram. Then we have Efra Market, Pionix, Verifier are here. We have Mexi again, so featured there. Oh, we have OKX over there. We have Motojob. We have Shibane. We have this is IPAM, Bitmain. We have so many brands, and I will not manage to showcase all the brands, all the entities that are here, but at least I've given you guys a tour of what blockchain life entails, what goes down here, what happens. I see BitGet, one of the best exchange platforms that we've ever had. Yep, this is you're the BitGet manager. What's your position on BitGet?
I'm BitGet business developer.
Dear developer, I've worked with BitGet for a very long time. I pushed BitGet in Kenya.
Oh, really?
Yes, I pushed BitGet in Kenya. I think I should have a sit down with you. Where is your booth?
Just there.
Sure, I'll come. Cedric, yes. I'll come there.
Nice to meet
sure,
you.
BitGet is there. I have this is R7 Miner. There's Bluffin over here. Via BTC, Hashcore are here. The likes of Cifra is here. Samsung Solutions are here. I even don't know what they do. Better crypto trading starts here. You see them here. Crypto payment, so many things are here. So unfortunately we didn't manage to get a booth for Apex21. World Series of Crypto Trading are here. Oh wow, interesting. I think this is the trading competition, something of the sort. Then we have with Papa. Okay, I don't know what they do. I'll come back later. Yeah, so this is interesting. Oh wow, World Series of Crypto Trading. Yep. Oh wow, I love it. Love it. Interesting. Okay. Oh wow, love it. The miners again, Antarctica, Scotland, Orient Trend. I'm just showing you guys what is here before we start talking to a few guys, get to understand what they are doing. Ooh, Wix is finally here. Wix. I think we should come and visit the Wix booth, understand what they do, and basically see what happens behind the scenes. I see 41% banned. We'll understand what they are banning and why they are banning their tokens. This is the VIP lounge. Yes, we have an after party by one and only Akon. Ticket is going for only $700. I'm gonna be attending the after party. Then we have the Lego team. Mexi stage is here. These guys have really pumped in so much money on this event. Mexi, you see they have a whole dedicated lounge purely for Mexi. So Mexi, good job. I don't know how much money you've put in to have this dedicated space. So this is crazy for Mexi. Congratulations. We're gonna have Apex21 in the next coming months, years. Yeah. So this other side we have again Mexi lounge over there. Have HTX again, they are right over there. Whoa, this is Cole Palmer. Oh, Bing X are here. HTX are here. We have oh, this is the crypto trading competition. Wow. Woo, interesting. Get trading fees cashback tiger.com. Okay, so this is interesting. I love what I'm seeing. Media interviews are happening. I'm looking for Wayondo TV, my very good friend, the biggest crypto media in the UAE. I'm gonna be coming here and see what is happening over here. We have DJ miners, DSJ miners are here. Again, oh, listing is here. So we've actually done a proper rundown of the expo, the brands that are here. Let's now talk to a few guys and come to understand what exactly happens in their booths. So let's hit the ground rolling. But before that, we have this other section that I feel I haven't explored. We have the Fbox, the coin locally. We have Bybit. Again, Bybit are here. They got hacked. I know they fixed that. I have the media partners are here. All the media partners are here. And again, we have Bing X over here. Yep. So let's talk to a few guys. Let's understand what they are doing, and yeah, let's figure it out. Yo, bro, what's your good name?
Hi, my name is Andrei.
Uh-huh. Where do you come from?
I'm coming from Ukraine. I
Ukraine.
live in Spain right now.
Okay.
Here in beautiful Dubai today.
Okay, tell me something about tell those guys who are afraid of getting into crypto. What are they missing out?
Oh, look! Just show around. You're missing the history that is happening right now around us. It's so great people, so many connections, so many great projects born every day. One of them are BitGet, which I'm representing. So just as soon as you get to crypto, you can never go out of it. As
Okay,
simple as this.
why do you love BitGet? What is this one thing that makes you love BitGet the most?
BitGet is the best crypto exchange on the market right now. It's a tier 1 exchange. It's just great for any types of crypto activity you want to do. If you are doing futures trading, if you want to hold assets on spot, if you are interested in staking, launch pools, just getting the tokens of new projects, just all the ecosystem, also connecting to BitGet wallet. It's all the ecosystem around, so everyone who is a crypto guy can find something for them
Awesome.
specific.
What's your prediction on Bitcoin next year?
Prediction for Bitcoin. Oh, it's so many things are influencing this, but you want the price?
Yes.
Price prediction. But what day? What day? What month?
December next year.
December next year. Oh, I would say December next year will be 100,000, 50,000.
Thank you so much.
150,000.
150,000.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, brother.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, bro. Remember, again, this is the most premium event in the history of crypto and in the entire world. Also, today I'm meeting up some partners because of Apex21. I have secured some meetups already, and I'm gonna meet them to discuss how you're gonna push the project to the limits. So, bro, hi, what's your good name?
How's it going? I'm Kevin.
Oh, Kevin, what's your experience in the world of crypto so far?
Oh, well, I do a little bit of investing. I stake Solana. I used to trade a little bit, but I kind of backed out from that. Now I just, really just invest now. I just hold on to the long haul.
Awesome. What is your best win in crypto so far?
I bought 20 Solana. I sold it actually just about a couple weeks ago, and I banked about $6 grand off of it.
Oh, wow. We've discussed about Apex21.
Oh, yes.
What do you think about Apex21?
I think it's pretty good because before, when I would buy like my crypto straight outright, I thought I owned it personally already, but it turns out that's not the case. So to find out that I got to mint it and then I can truly own it, and I'm looking to stake out my crypto later on. So it's very helpful. I'm glad you actually came across you to explain this to me. So I appreciate that actually. So I'm looking forward to it.
Thank you so much, bro. I appreciate you.
Yeah, no problem, man.
Thank you. Hi, bro.
Hi, bro. What's up?
All good, all good. So you just told me that you're a trader. What are some of the risk management measures that you apply in your trading strategies?
Yes. Yeah, of course. You know, a lot of times I say three things. Never trade if you don't know what's happening on the market. So news first, right? Before you trade, whether it's crypto market or any other markets. Secondly, strategies. Never trade if you don't have a strategy. Always look out, have a strategy you follow, or have a major trader that you follow, someone that you listen to, that you follow. If you don't, then rather learn your own strategy before you put up a trade. And then thirdly, don't trade on anxiety or on I don't know what the right term to use, but don't trade when you are excited about trading. No. Let the excitement die before you start trading.
What's your biggest loss in trading?
Our biggest loss so far, I think, when the crash happened about 2 weeks ago in crypto, I had a long position. It was around. It wasn't big. It was around 20K.
20K is big.
Yeah, and then markets went down, and
Are you liquidated?
Yeah, I lost.
Where was your stop loss?
No, like I didn't set any honestly because I trade on a very small lot sizes. So I just put longs enough to get me to the next point. Like BTC was around like 117-ish, so I placed for somewhere around 117,500. But then immediately the crash started happening like right away. So I was liquidated within seconds.
Sorry
within
about that.
seconds, like I had no room, and in that same time, the exchanges actually stopped us from entering. Like we could not enter to change any orders, so we were executed without defense.
Where do you see Bitcoin price next year, December?
Oh, next year December 230K.
So that is
Easy
money.
Easy.
So we go long,
230K.
full margin.
Oh no, we're going long. We lost, but we're still going long.
Wow, thank you so
We're
much.
still going long.
Welcome to day 2 of Blockchain Life. I've attended all the sessions for this particular event, and just to give you guys a recap of what happened yesterday, we had lots of discussions on the panel with the big wigs, all the big names that you can think of in the space. They were all here, but what really caught my attention or yesterday rather, was on the issue of emotionals in the market and how people always fail to adhere to their trading plans. The view of the 4-year cycle done by Khan Ronfield, that is the Moncal, and yeah, how to build a narrative. The CEO of, not CEO, but head of marketing, Hamster Combat. If you guys remember, Hamster Combat actually did over 100 million users within a very short period of time. So I want to just get some views today from the attendees on their biggest mistakes they have ever done with Bitcoin, to be precise, their advice for beginners in the space, and also hear their sense about the market. So let's do this. So I'm here with Richard. Richard, tell us, you are trader number what globally on TradingView?
Yeah, I'm number 6 worldwide. I've been trading for, this is my 13th year. I'm doing fine. I have 1,000 students worldwide, from the US, from India, from China, from Europe, from the East. Yeah, that's it.
Awesome. So bro, what is your biggest mistake with Bitcoin?
I haven't bought earlier. I started buying Bitcoin since 2017. I have a Bitcoin earring, if you can see it.
Yeah.
So, because the main reason why I have it is because I want to sleep on it. So, yeah, that's it. And I'm planning to hold it for my kids. Like it's not. I always tell my wife, it is not ours. We never sell Bitcoin. We always buy. Whenever I have new savings, I have extra cash. I don't keep it cash. I go for gold or for Bitcoin.
What is your worst mistake, or what is your best moment in crypto so far?
Best moment is holding and is buying more, especially when you see the bull run. So, for example, now we can't really feel it. It's good for Bitcoin. But, for example, the last cycle, since buying since 2017 and holding for a couple of years, it was the best feeling when you see it going up. So, like making times 10, times 20, even for now, holding this long. For those who ask me, is it now too late? No, it's not too late yet. As long as there is new BTC to be mined, you are still on the right track. So keep on buying, even small chunks, whatever you can, as much as you can.
What is your advice for those traders who are just new, they come in the space and they want to make $1 million overnight?
Exactly. So this is a mistake newbies usually make. They want to catch the next big Trump coin or next big meme coin. It's good, but first you can't really buy, for example, a couch if you don't have a house. So, like for example, like BTC is the house. So start by buying Bitcoin first, and then with your extra cash or your next investment, you can now look for the best layer one, and then you look for meme coins. Start with the low risk and then get it higher and higher.
Awesome. You've talked briefly about Apex21. What do you think about Apex21 from your own perspective?
It's good for one reason, because it is mimicking the total fixed supply of BTC. So the name is attractive, and anyway, once you told me the name, I linked it to 21 million BTC. So it's good, limited supply, especially that as you told me, because I'm still new. I'm just you just explained it to me, which is interesting. The good thing is that you can't buy it, so there is no way that you can buy big chunks and then dump it over newcomers. So these two features are interesting, and I wish you the best.
Thank you so much. And finally, what is your advice to those guys who are just getting started in crypto, the beginners? Not just in trading, but generally.
Yeah. Start slow, okay? So don't invest immediately in crypto. First, start by learning it. Second, start by going for something you know. For example, gold. For example, an index, a stock, a currency. Understand how the market moves, and then once you have some experience and you want to if you want like build like don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. In this case, you can start to buy crypto. Once you want to buy crypto, start with Bitcoin.
Thank you so much, bro. I appreciate it. Go follow him, the best trader, the sixth best trader in the world. Thank you, bro.
I wish
appreciate
you
it.
also the best.
Thank you, bro. He's the best dressed guy at the expo. So, bro, tell us, what is your biggest mistake with Bitcoin, if you have any?
Hi everybody, it's Herbert Sim, thebitcoinman.com. Really happy to be here in Dubai in Blockchain Live Conference. So obviously Bitcoin, the biggest regret is not hodling, right? Everybody is like selling their Bitcoins. Somehow you fall into the FUD or the FOMO, right? And then you end up buying high, selling low, and you're like, yeah. So main story is hold on to dear life, hodl, right? Diamond hands. Yeah.
What is your best day in crypto so far in your entire life? Your best day in crypto?
It's yet to come because I believe Bitcoin is about to hit $1 million in future by 2030. So in less than 5 years, just keep hodling.
Awesome. And lastly, what's your advice to beginners, those guys who are just coming into crypto? What do you advise them?
Quickly buy your first Bitcoin, even if it's a little fraction, keep stacking sats.
Thank you so much, brother. I appreciate you. So here is a trading competition that is happening in the live. You are given an account, $50,000, flip it, that guy is in losses, that lady is smiling, I think he's doing good. That's the leaderboard. First person is up almost $5,000. The other one is the 34,000. Na huyu jamaa amekuwa distract sana. Nataka
Покажите, что происходит. Я второй полностью реализовано. Я до Эдгара, короче, надо забрать. Я 102 сделки. У Эдгара есть шанс. У него 102 сделки, он колбасит просто как 73 пинель. Смотри, как красиво у Гудмана вот этот total trade 10.
Alafu kuna VAR, so you can't lie, can't shoot, can't do anything because we have VAR. Yeah, that is VAR. Please. So this is the agenda for the day. We have traditional students, and remember, guys, Apex21 is here. We are still pushing the project. So far, we've managed to interact with so many individuals who are believing in the project and actually gonna get their mint rates. So we have the panel discussions about global regulations, evolution of crypto mining, market, new growth. Then we have the pitches for the startups, fireside chat, optimization of sports. We have liquidity wars, then the keynote speech, upgrading your money, potential real assets again. Then this is the altcoin season in the room. So this is gonna be done by Thomas Carlo. Most of you know Thomas Carlo. And yeah, that's it. Great. So what's your name, madam?
My name is Vicky.
Vicky. What is the worst mistake you've ever done with Bitcoin? Your worst mistake ever with Bitcoin?
I bought him when he up.
You bought him when he's up. That is the worst mistake. And what is your advice for beginners or those guys who are not in crypto yet? What do you advise them?
Nothing scared. All good, and don't worry. If you're doing all great.
Great. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I'm here with India's biggest Bitcoin channel. Also named brother, and how are you doing?
I'm good, man. Thank you so much. But first of all, I'm not a content creator and influencer. We do only educate. We are promoting Bitcoin Conference India. Go and check bitcoinconferenceindia.com. Go and sign up. This is going to be the world's biggest Bitcoin conference. More than 50,000 attendees are going to show up. More than 50,000.
Awesome, bro. Now, what is your biggest mistake with Bitcoin in your entire life?
That I didn't buy more. Yeah, that's the biggest mistake I've done so far.
And what's your best day in crypto so far in your entire life?
Every day, to be honest. Being in this journey, being a part of this, being in crypto at this moment, today, is the best time, to be honest. Imagine, we have never seen that kind of the world's most hardest money ever created in the history of mankind. We are living in that era and we are still early. So this is the biggest moment.
Do you think Trump has actually messed the crypto market in general, or it has been a blessing in the crypto market, according to your own perspective?
Trump is actually messing up, to be honest. Elon Musk and Trump both of them messing up, but honestly, we don't need anyone. If they could have stopped Bitcoin, they would have done very earlier. It's been there from 17 years. So they know they cannot stop now. So what they're going to do, they're going to regulate. They're going to start supporting. That's what they're doing. But they're going to put this tariffs, this news and all of that. Don't get scammed in this. Always invest for long term. Always invest for next 5 years and 10 years. Don't invest for a day or a month or future an option. You're always going to lose. You're always going to lose to the diamond hands. You're always going to lose to the whales. Be the smart investor. Keep investing, don't sell, and keep buying every month.
Does that mean you're against guys who are trading futures, spot, or are you an advocate of traders?
100%. See, you are not supposed to trade Bitcoin. Why? Because it's a growing asset. You only trade things which are stable market, like stock market, bond market. Those are the stable markets. But Bitcoin itself is going up 52% CAGR every year. Okay, so why you want to trade that? You're already making money. So in trading, what happens is there's a chance that you're going to lose. You're going to lose to the people who are the big investors, big whales, because they're going to scam you. They're going to make you panic. They're going to make you sell. What's going to happen? You're going to get liquidated, and you are losing money to them. So don't do that. I mean, once the Bitcoin reaches, I think, 20-30 trillion dollars, there you can trade that.
Awesome. And finally, where do you keep your Bitcoin?
Hardware wallets. My hardware wallet.
Whoa. Thank you so much, brother. I appreciate it. What's your good name?
Tamer.
Come on. Now, talk to me that you've been in crypto for 10 years right now. What is your biggest regret with Bitcoin?
Maybe selling early, selling in 2013.
2013? How many Bitcoins did you sell?
Number.
A good number. Now, what is your best day in crypto so far in your entire life?
It's always good by future. There is not the best. Still, the best is yet to come.
The best is still yet to come. Awesome. Now, what is your advice to those guys who are new, those guys who are just coming into crypto? What is your advice to them?
Read about principle, read about basics of crypto before you get in, because you need to get the basics. Once you are totally good, you can start do whatever you want in crypto, trading, investment, whatever. But you have to secure yourself first. You have to educate yourself first. Just basics, and then you can get any time.
Now, and finally, we are now in October 2025. Do you think the bull run is still there? Is it over? What is your view on that?
Yeah, not a financial advice at all. But yeah, I think that the bull run finished at 126k.
126k.
All-time high was 126k for Bitcoin.
Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it.
Nice to meet you.
Look who got here. Gray BTC to the moon.
Hey, what's
Gray,
up, guys?
I'm good. Now, Gray, what is your biggest regret with Bitcoin?
Bitcoin is that I did not buy enough when I first discovered it. I was timid. My conviction was lower, because if I understood, I should have taken every little thing I owned at the time, sell it and buy all Bitcoin and do nothing for the next 10 years without doing anything at all.
Wow.
But I sold my car, but it wasn't enough. I should have sold everything.
You should have sold your liver.
Yes, exactly, like that.
And your kidney as well, not
Everything.
liver. Now, bro, what is your best day in crypto so far? What's your best day so far in crypto?
Funny enough, that my best day, I would say, last week when the markets were crashing, I nearly got liquidated, but because I was awake, I saved one position, which I had lost close to $400,000, and then I opened a trade within the same 5 minutes, and I managed to just get into the market when it was bouncing back, and then I recovered my money, plus made a little extra on that.
Awesome. So that's your best day in crypto. What about your worst day in crypto?
My worst day, man, it's I don't really have a specific worst day, but I've had it hasn't been very strong that I would remember it forever kind of thing. You get bad as a trader, you get bad days, good days, and that's it. But I've never had a life determining moment. I don't over leverage myself. I don't trade with my life savings, so I wouldn't say I had a day that is the worst.
Awesome. I've been seeing you have been a very big advocate of meme coins sometimes. What's your take on meme coins generally?
Yeah, meme coins are great, especially for people that are, if you're like a low capital, you need brilliance, and you have more than enough time in your hands to do this kind of things. It's amazing. If you have like no capital, if you have very little capital, you're trying to grow, meme coin are a great deal. If you're someone who already have money, I think it's very risky for you to trade in that environment. I look at meme coins as entertainment that can also get you paid. So you have to look at it like that, not really like as an asset class where you're trying to be a genius and okay.
Awesome. And finally, I've been seeing Trump has been making waves in the space. Do you think he's good for the crypto space or is bad news for crypto?
Well, he exists, so you can't say that he's bad or good. He's just a phenomenon in the market, and it's up to you as a trader to deal with that reality. You cannot undo Trump. He's already in existence. So to say is he good or bad, it's almost like a housefly is good or bad. Well, they exist.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
And finally, what is your last advice for beginners? Those guys who are just new, who are coming in the space, do they start trading? Do they start buying and holding? What's your advice to them?
I think everybody needs to have, you need exposure, first of all. So whatever you're doing, if you're not in the game at all, have no judgment about anything. Just get in there, have some capital that you're willing to use as school fees or as tuition. You play around, you might win money, you might lose some, but at the end of the day, you'll be educated and you can make your own judgment about, you learn a lot about yourself and your temperament and the path in which you want to take it. Yeah.
Awesome.
So I think first you need to take action and then the rest will come by itself.
Thank you so much, bro, for your time. I
Cheers,
appreciate
guys.
it. Cheers.
No problem.
Follow him. Great BTC to the moon.
Absolutely. Cheers.
So that's it for this edition of Blockchain Life. So much has happened, and see you again next year, same place, different dates.